It's another beautiful day. I'm getting ready to test drive this 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. This has got the red interior, the T-tops, the 350. AC's not. Got power brakes. Pretty nice car. Detailed pictures, finance and shipping, maplemotors.com. Of course, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and share this video. You can go to maplemotors.com for all new updates. That's on Mondays, usually around 12 o'clock. About that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, so unlucky me. Was rushing to get y'all the walk around. Thought I already put this one online. Deleted all the footage. It's gone completely. Have to redo this video. This is the second time I've done this whole entire video. Walk around, test drive, full everything. So, know pretty much everything about this car. Let's go ahead and start her up. It does run and drive good. It is a nice car. We'll try some stuff out. Windows. I love the red interior. T-tops. Dash. This window. See, she sails. She's flying up and down. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? I actually know on this one. Tilt column. Turn signals. Left side. Right side's not blinking. Engine temperature. Gas gauge. Battery. Oil pressure. Clock's not working. Face of the radio's in the office. Blower motor. AC's not hooked up. Blower motor does work. All right. Wipers. Yep. Horn. Nope. And I'll show you the mileage. I'll show you the tach. Let's hit the road. See how she runs and drives. Look, you can even see my old mark from where I put you on the window. Let's go. All right. This isn't the first time that this has happened either, so I have had to redo videos before by accidentally deleting content and having no backup saved. But typically it takes 7 gigs worth of footage, so I have to constantly clear out test drives. I don't save them all. Let's roll. As far as smooth going down the road. I feel this when I'm in and out of the throttle. Speedo is working. Kickdown is hooked up, getting into those brakes. Brakes are stopping good. Only thing I feel is a little bit of slack like this when I give it gas or get into the gas. A little bit of a pop from underneath in and out of the gas. Engine temperature is up to a good operating range at 175, 180 now, I'd assume. Oil pressure's at 60, which is good. Pulling up in the parking lot here, outside shots, undercarriage shots. In with walking around this ride looking for chips, scratches, rusted dents, whatever it is, you'll know about it. All right, let's get these outside shots. Let's get this Corvette done. It's got a very nice paint job on it. Cosmetically, we're good. I'll show you all that stuff towards the end. As far as running and driving goes, what I've got out of this, just from the lot up to here, a little bit of like a slack. It's almost like the rear end's got a little play in it or something. It's when I'm getting in the throttle. It seems to be running and driving good other than that. Let me go ahead and get these outside shots. We'll light up the undercarriage. Maybe we can see what it is under there. Let's go. Okay, so something else about this car that I'm sitting here noticing, the idle's just a bit high when it's in park. Of course, you put it in drive. That's a good idle range. That's around 800. That's where you want to be, but back in a neutral, see it jumps back up. We're talking 1400. It's like half that there. I mean, it's idling out good in gear, which is great. Hold on, let's see, it doesn't lift the seat up. Got the seat belt stuck. But when in park or neutral, if you sit there and let it idle that high for that long, eventually it's going to start getting hot. I mean, we're at 190 now, and I've been doing the video for a little bit, which is great, and it hasn't overheated or anything. But just from my experience, yeah, you don't want it idling up too high. Could be the choke, could just be idling up too high. Let's go. Of course, your biggest issue on this car is not the idle. It's going to be more of the little bit of slack that I feel when I'm in and out of the throttle. Yeah, I can feel it in the back right now. There you go. Very smooth going down the road, suspension wise. Little bump in the road right here. Not too bad. And guys, coming up next, picking out the flaws. Be sure to stick around for that. That's where you're going to get the most information out of this cosmetically. And I tell you what, cosmetically, it's good, man. There was a couple little chips up there, but I didn't really see anything that stood out. I hope this video was informative. I tried to point out the flaws for you so you know what you're getting before you get here. I do this with every car, guys, and I've got, what, a couple more to do today at least. But I'm gonna run out of time. We're at 3 o'clock, so I can only get 1 or 2 more test drives done before I need to go home. If you wanna help me out, hit subscribe. Stick around, picking out the flaws, coming up next. Actually pretty easy to walk around. It's got a very nice paint job, but we're gonna walk around, look at everything that I can find: chips, scratches, rust, dents, detailed pictures. maplemotors.com. Let's go ahead and get started. Little spot there, spot there, crack in the corner, chips at the bottom. Little chip there in the corner. There's some dirt up here. I messed up my knee earlier. Believe it or not, during the walk around of the car lot, I messed up my knee by falling off the porch. Nobody noticed, or did you? I didn't say anything about it. I just kept going like it never happened. But man, this knee here has been giving me some issues ever since that. I don't know what. I just can't squat all the way down. It was all my fault, not paying attention. I was trying to get the shots, man. Some dirt. That emblem's pretty sweet. Little crack on this piece here. This is aftermarket. New tail lights. Little spot there. Little spot there. Back window on this one looks pretty sweet. Trim's good. Down this side. That'll come out. Oh, did I run through a puddle or something? Got some dirt on here. Little spot there. Little spots in the corner there. Door handle looks good. Man, the paint on this one is nice. I told you it'd be hard to pick this car. Let's check out the interior. Door panel, you can tell the interior's been redone. Nice and clean. Seal's a little weak. I like the carpet. I just like red. I think it looks good. Little spot there. Fasten seat belts. Oil pressure gauge is kind of funky, wasn't it? Gas gauge doesn't work. dirt there and there. Dirt up here in the corners. Stuff to wipe right off. Guys, detailed pictures, finance and ship at maplemotors.com. I'm gonna head on back to the lot, grab me another car, and do another test drive today. Be sure to hit subscribe and share this channel. Majority of y'all watching have not subscribed yet. If you haven't made a YouTube account, it's free to do, and it recommends you videos. It's pretty awesome once you set it up. I'm on YouTube almost every single night, just cruising and watching different videos as well. All right, guys, heading on back to the lot. Thanks.